Hello everybody, I'm Doug from Watching Gadget here with another quick review. Okay, let's dive into it. This is the Smartwatch X6 quick review. And if you don't know how to connect this to your phone for the first time, I've got a video on that and I'll send the link up here to the top right corner and I'll put the link down below. And straight out of the box, this watch is functionable. You can make phone calls, you can access your contacts, text messages, notifications. It's got alarm clock and calendar, step counter, sleep monitor, and sedentary reminder. Alright, let's jump into that. You can make your phone calls right here. Just click it, dial your number and call. And your messages. You can write messages. But it's the old school kind. I don't know if you remember that or not, but it's, you got to smash the button a few times to get the letter to come up. I'm not good with that, so I'm not even going to try to show you that. Okay, to see your notifications from your phone, you click this button here. On some models, like this old one, mine, it'll be this one here you'll click. Okay. And what it does is when you click this, you'll see your last 5 messages, Facebook notifications, whatnot. And all mine right now are coming from the old phone, which is updating my Google Play Store. So as you see here, that's how you see them. But you know, if you're wearing it, you get text message. It'll say text message here, phone call here, phone log. You know, whatever notifications you have coming from your phone will show up here. Okay, your alarm clock is here. Just set it for whatever time you need it. Calendar. Here is your calculator. Right here is your sleep monitor. Just click it, and what you'll do is you'll start it when you go to bed. And it'll also tell you if you slept good, how long you slept, and etc. Right here is your step counter. Just click it and hit start, and it'll keep up with how long you've been running it for and count your steps. Right here is your sedentary reminder. Now when you set it, you click it on here, click it to vibrate or ring. And then your start time, and it'll give you a notification, alarm, telling you when you need to get up, stretch, and do a little something, and get your heart rate up a little bit. Now, what functions work with this watch when you put a SIM card or SD card in it? And I'll show you how you do that right now. Just go ahead and open up the back. Right here, underneath the battery. You put your SIM card here and your SD card there. SIM card to give you service. Your SD card to put some memory in here where it will take pictures and music, whatever. Verizon, AT&T, service providers like that offer wearable technology will not activate one of these for your contracts for your phone service, and they will not do it with they don't have a prepaid service for it either. But what I have found is there's a service called Red Pocket, and I'll put the link up here. You can click it, and I'll put it in the show notes descriptions down below. Red Pocket will activate on any carrier, any service, and you can get it for $10 to $15 a month depending on how much data you want to use. And you just slip the card in here and voila, there you go. Okay, what is functional with this watch when you add a data plan via a SIM card and put an SD card in it? Okay, well, you'll be able to take photos, use your camera and take photos. It has a sound recorder, an audio player, internet browser, Facebook and Twitter, and WhatsApp. Okay, you take your photos right here with this button. Just click it, and the camera's on the side with the X6. Okay, and you'll take your pictures, but you got to insert the SD card. That's what it's for. Okay, to view your pictures, you click this button here. which we don't have an SD card in there, but that's how you'll pull it up. Okay, to record your sound recorder is right here. Voice recorder, whatever you want to call it. Just click it and it will record. Your audio player is right here. Right here is your internet browser, your Facebook app, your Twitter, and your WhatsApp. Okay, and that is the quick review of the X6 smartwatch. And leave me a comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and give me a like if this video helped you out in any way. And I'll leave all links down below where you can buy this, how you can contact me, the Watching Gadget website, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.